Supposedly.
Supposedly. According to what is generally thought or believed, but not known for certain. For example, the novel is supposedly based on a true story.
Sure. Confident that you know something or that you are right. For example, is that John over there? I'm not sure.
Surplus.
Surplus. An amount that is extra or more than you need. For example, food surpluses.
Surprise. An event, a piece of news, etc. that is unexpected or that happens suddenly. For example, what a nice surprise.
Suspect.
Suspect. A person who is suspected of a crime or of having done something wrong. For example, a murder suspect.
Sweater.
Sweater. A piece of clothing for the upper part of the body, made of wool or cotton, with long sleeves. For example, she wore jeans and a sweater.
Symbol.
Symbol. A person, an object, an event, etc. that represents a more general quality or situation. For example, the vase is decorated with religious symbols. Synthesis. The act of combining separate ideas, beliefs, styles, etc., a mixture or combination of ideas, beliefs, styles, etc. For example, synthesis of A with B.
T-shirt. An informal shirt, usually with short sleeves, equals arms, no collar or buttons, or just a few buttons at the top. For example, he was wearing a faded pair of blue jeans and an old t-shirt. Tape. A long, narrow piece of material with a sticky substance on one side that is used for sticking things together. For example, adhesive sticky tape.
Target.
Target. A result that you try to achieve. For example, to meet/hit a target.
Temporarily. In a way that lasts or is intended to last or be used only for a short time, in a way that is not permanent. For example, we regret this service is temporarily unavailable.
Tent. A shelter made of a large sheet of canvas, nylon, etc. that is supported by poles and ropes fixed to the ground, and is used especially for camping. For example, to put up/take down a tent.
Terms.
Terms. The conditions that people offer, demand or accept when they make an agreement, an arrangement or a contract. For example, peace terms.
Testify. To make a statement that something happened or that something is true, especially as a witness in court. For example, testify against somebody/something.
Theory.
Theory. A formal set of ideas that is intended to explain why something happens or exists. For example, theory of something.
Therefore.
Therefore. Used to introduce the logical result of something that has just been mentioned. For example, he's only 17, and therefore not eligible to vote.
Though. Used especially at the end of a sentence or clause to add a fact or an opinion that makes the previous statement less strong or less important. For example, our team lost. It was a good game though. Though. Used especially at the end of a sentence or clause to add a fact or an opinion that makes the previous statement less strong or less important. For example, our team lost. It was a good game though.
Thought.
Thought. Something that you think of or remember. For example, thought of doing something.
2. Used before adjectives and adverbs to say that something is more than is good, necessary, possible, etc. For example, he's far too young to go on his own.
Trainer.
Trainer. A shoe that you wear for sports or as informal clothing. For example, a pair of trainers.
Transcript. A written or printed copy of words that have been spoken. For example, a transcript of the interview.
Translation.
Translation. The process of changing something that is written or spoken into another language. For example, an error in translation.
Transparency. The quality of something, such as a situation or an argument, that makes it easy to understand. For example, a need for greater transparency in legal documents.
True. Connected with facts rather than things that have been invented or guessed. For example, indicate whether the following statements are true or false.
Truth. The true facts about something, rather than the things that have been invented or guessed. For example, do you think she's telling the truth?
Typically.
Typically. Used to say that something usually happens in the way that you are stating. For example, the standard chips are typically used for databases and other business software.
Unacceptable. So bad that you think it should not be allowed. For example, such behavior is totally unacceptable in a civilized society.
Under. Below something. For example, he pulled up the covers and crawled under.
Underwear. Clothes that you wear under other clothes and next to the skin. For example, I never wear underwear.
Undoubtedly.
Undoubtedly. Used to emphasize that something exists or is definitely true. For example, there is undoubtedly a great deal of truth in what he says.
Unfold. To spread open or flat something that has previously been folded. To become open and flat. For example, to unfold a map.
Unprecedented. That has never happened, been done, or been known before. For example, the situation is unprecedented in modern times.
Uphold. To support something that you think is right and make sure that it continues to exist. For example, we have a duty to uphold the law.
Urgent. That needs to be dealt with or happen immediately. For example, the police have issued an urgent appeal for information.
Used to. Used to say that something happened continuously or frequently during a period in the past. For example, I used to live in London.
Useful.
Useful. That can help you to do or achieve what you want. For example, a useful tool.
Useless. Not useful, not doing or achieving what is needed or wanted. For example, this pen is useless.
User. A person or thing that uses something. For example, road users.
Usual.
Usual. That happens or is done most of the time or in most cases. For example, this is the usual way of doing it.
Usually.
Usually. In the way that is usual or normal, most often. For example, how long does the journey usually take?
Vacuum.
Vacuum. A space that is completely empty of all substances, including all air or other gas. For example, a vacuum pump equals one that creates a vacuum.
Venture. A business project or activity, especially one that involves taking risks. For example, a disastrous business venture lost him thousands of dollars.
Verify. To check that something is true or accurate. For example, verify something.
Verse. Writing that is arranged in lines, often with a regular rhythm or pattern of rhyme. For example, in verse.
Viable. That can be done, that will be successful. For example, a viable option, a proposition.
Visible. That can be seen. For example, the house is clearly visible from the beach.
Volume.
Volume. The amount of space that an object or a substance fills, the amount of space that a container has. For example, volume of something.
Vow. To make a formal and serious promise to do something or a formal statement that is true. For example, vow to do something.
Watch.
Watch. A type of small clock that you wear on your wrist, or in the past, carried in your pocket. For example, she kept looking anxiously at her watch. Weigh. Very far, by a large amount. For example, she finished the race way ahead of the other runners. West. In or towards the west. For example, West Africa.
Whatsoever. Not at all, not of any kind. For example, they received no help whatsoever. When. At what time, on what occasion? For example, when did you last see him? When. At what time, on what occasion? For example, when did you last see him? When. At what time, on what occasion? For example, when did you last see him?
Whenever.
Whenever. At any time that, on any occasion that. For example, you can ask for help whenever you need it.
Where. In, the place or situation in which. For example, this is where I live.
While.
While. A period of time. For example, for a while.